Many of us are prone to leaving things until the last minute, and ISA investors are no exception. Believe it or not, around 40% of investments are not made until March each year. Some investors even leave it until the midnight deadline on the 5th of April to make their choices online. Talk about high stress. But I'm here to help with 5 last-minute ideas for your ISA. Global equities are always a popular place to start. Invesco Global Focus is a core global equity fund with a concentrated portfolio. It's a very simple philosophy. The manager looks to identify long-term, persistent trends which are changing the world and then invest in the best companies in those areas. Current themes include e-commerce, digital payments, cloud computing, and network security software. Last year wasn't a great year for income investors, but there's still options. VT Gravis UK Infrastructure Income is a unique fund that invests in a combination of UK-listed infrastructure investment trusts, direct equities, and bonds. The underlying investments include renewable energy, GP surgeries, transport, water, and student accommodation. A minimum of 75% of the portfolio must be supported by UK government or regulated cash flows. The current yield is 4.8%. Staying close to home, the Liontrust UK Smaller Companies Fund employs the same strategy as the very successful Liontrust Special Situations Fund, but with a small cap bias. The distinctive investment process focuses on firms with strong positions within their industries. The fund has a great track record as in particularly strong in down markets. Looking for something more specialist? Jupiter Financial Opportunities is a concentrated portfolio of ideas from the global financial services sector and associated firms. It will include businesses such as stock exchanges, online payment companies, insurers, and banks. The manager prefers businesses with sustainable growth characteristics and identifies these with a thematic approach, which looks at the wider trends driving the economy. Or maybe fixed income is more your thing. M&G is perhaps the biggest name in the UK bond space, and M&G Optimal Income is its flagship offering. This Go Anywhere fund has a flexible mandate which enables the manager to shift the interest rate exposure and to invest across the whole bond spectrum. The fund can, and often does, invest in some equities and also derivatives. Still stuck for ideas? Head over to FundCalibre.com and explore our elite-rated funds, narrowed down from thousands of funds. You can rest assured knowing that our ratings have been carefully considered by our research team. And if you really can't decide and don't want to make a rash decision, you can always put your money into cash ISA and switch to an investment fund at a later date to take advantage of your ISA wrapper. For more information on the funds mentioned or for investing in an ISA, visit FundCalibre.com.